Hello, travelers. This morning I'm at Daytona Beach, Florida. And what a great morning to be here. Sun is shining and the beach is lovely.
So actually in that brief transition from that clip you just saw, I've been out all over the Daytona Beach area today, going to the Daytona Speedway, going to several museums, checking out several different restaurants, working hard so you people know everything there is to know about Daytona Beach. Been a long day, so it's time to actually do a little more work. Can't relax yet.
So this is my office, the Daytona Beach branch thereof. See, I'm editing some photos. Hard at work.
Very, very, very hard at work here. So I'll probably be putting in for some overtime. I think it's after 5 o'clock, so man, they're working me like crazy, you know. Something's gotta stop.
I think I'm getting an ulcer. That'll help.